Welcome, Internet, to my garage. This afternoon I'm going to be answering the question which I could not find an answer for on YouTube myself. Can you forge metal in a wood burning stove? And I found a few references to things, people that are talking about getting into blacksmithing were saying you need something like an anvil, a hammer and a heat source, and that's more or less all you need, and there were lots of talks around this, but my specific question was, can I use a wood burning stove? So with a little trial and error, the answer essentially is yes. I have done that. I'm going to take you through how we've done that. I've made a few tweaks to the stove to make it work and really get hot enough. There's a few things that I do just to make sure that it gets to temperature quickly. I guess you could get metal to a workable temperature in a normal fire, but it would just take a very long time. So in this workshop, when you're trying to get things done, really you want to get a good amount of heat into the material quickly. So I've been doing quite well at that. This is definitely not a how to blacksmith video. If you want to do that, check out Alex Steele. For bladesmithing, check out Jason Knight, some of the really masters of the craft. But I'm starting out at home, and this is how I'm heating my metal. So we're going to take you through that now. This was actually a complete salvage stove. I got this and it was in lots and lots of pieces in an absolute rust bucket. So inside the stove I have put some extra fire bricks in there. Put some extra fire bricks in down the side, held them in place with angle iron, and the cardboard is just stuffed in there because it's going to set fire to it in a minute. And then, so that really helps hold the heat in the central chamber. I then use this, which is essentially a scaffold bar with a hairdryer on the end. If I direct that straight into the fire, that provides the velocity to really get the metal very hot. Without that, you would still be taking a very long time to do it. So that's what I work with. I'm going to light it now and show you how it works. There we go. You can definitely use a wood burning stove to forge metal. That is proof. But you do need to do a few extra things. You need to fire the air in there. I use a hairdryer, and I've got extra fire bricks in there, of course, to keep the heat going. Loses its heat quite quickly. So thanks for watching. If you enjoy seeing creative ways to do things, then please subscribe to the channel. Joining's awesome, and I will see you next time.